So I signed up for this app called TaskRabbit that you can get extra side gigs, and I signed up for 39 bucks an hour to do some home repairs and I don't know, just a little side project. And a company called me that has a pet food uh, cooler at Target, and one of the cameras that keeps track of their inventory broke. So they sent me a camera to my house. I'm here at Target. I'm going to go in, change it out, take a picture of it, take the old camera, send it back to them in the box that they sent me the original one in, and they gave me a paper, return label. So let's see how long it takes, how hard it is, and see if this is a real thing. This is my first job with TaskRabbit. Let's see how it goes. So as I was in here, I didn't record myself removing the camera. I just wanted to get in and out. So I found the pet food section, found the end cap, opened the doors, and there was the camera on the inside, and there was 4 of them. Each one has a different serial number. I had to match it up, find the broken one, take it off with a putty knife, put the new one on, and that was it. All right, so let's see here. We have the box, packing stuff, old camera, more packing stuff. They want me to send back the old one to make sure I actually did the job, I guess. Let's see. This is what was sent to me here. This looks like a packing slip, shipper name. What's this? Oh, this is the packing slip. So I don't see a return label. Be nice. I don't know. I'm just gonna bring this into FedEx. I'm not going to bring the camera in because I feel awkward. And see if see what they say with this paperwork. So I'll bring this in. They probably have a tape gun in there, but if not, I'll come up and tape it. All right, let's see how it goes. Okay, so there was a bit of a hiccup when we got in there. I was right. There was no prepaid packing slip in the paperwork. So luckily his phone number was on the paperwork, and I called him and he answered, and he gave me an account number, and they charged the payment to his account number. Otherwise I would have had to pay $15 to ship it back to him, which would come out of my $39 per hour, and so that would have been worth it. So luckily that all worked out. It got paid to him, or charged to him, shipped out. And now they'll pay me through the Tasker app, 39 bucks. And I was going to do from door to door, leaving my house to coming home. But I have to do some errands right now. So it took me about 35 minutes from leaving my house to finishing at FedEx to talking to you guys. So I'll make 39 bucks for 35 minutes. That's pretty good. That's my first... That's my first job with Tasker and TaskRabbit, and it's pretty easy. So hopefully I get more of these, and thanks for watching.